Hi everyone! Today I'm deciding if I would like to add a new bag to my collection. It's been a while since I added a new handbag, about a year and a half. Since attempting to be a minimalist and selling off a bunch of items, it feels slightly odd to be adding things to my collection, so I thought I'd let you guys in on my thought process. I know I don't need any new bags. The 8 in my current curated collection is more than enough, with my pochettes emerging as the all-around easy-to-use items. However, since my most used bags are LV prints, I've been wanting a bag that is solid colored, understated, neutral, and not black. So you might say I'm just looking to add a different style choice if possible. In my last video, I said that I was interested in the Louis Vuitton Felicie or the Louis Vuitton Easy Pouch. From where I am, the stores are closed, and so the only way to see them during this time is to order them. So I ordered both of them to get a better look at the size, color, and general feel to make a decision. So let's get into the reveals. The first bag I'll talk about is the Louis Vuitton Felicie in the galet color. I've already owned an Felicie in the past, and I really liked the understated appearance and the removable strap. I sold mine purely because of the color. I wanted to reduce the number of black bags I had. Here are some modeling shots of the bag with a neutral colored outfit and various shoe options in brown flats, brown flip-flops, white shoes, and in beige heels. The pros for this bag for me is that it is understated, I'm familiar with its function, and I am comfortable with the price of the bag. The one big con of this bag for me is the color, which doesn't come across exactly as in these pictures. Online and in my own pictures, it looks like a warmer beige color, but in person it looks darker and grayer than I was hoping for. Moving on to the second bag, this is the Louis Vuitton Easy Pouch in the quartz color, which is an off-white ivory color. This is a new design for this year, so I was excited to see something different. Here are some modeling pictures with the leather strap being on its shortest setting. Here are some modeling pictures with the leather strap being on its longest crossbody setting. For reference, I am 5'2". And finally, the bag also comes with a dainty silver chain strap, and this is what it looks like on me. So the pros for me with this bag is that I very much like the style of the bag. The slight trapezoid shape with the dip in the middle is feminine in a subtle way. I like the quartz color more than the galet color. And finally, I like that it has so many strap options. The cons of this bag is that it is very small, and I think the price therefore is a little bit high for it. To me, the Felicie and the Easy Pouch are comparable, but the Easy Pouch is about 30% more in terms of the price. I've taken a few days to decide on the bags. Since I've fallen for this trap before, I have to ask myself, do I like these things or do I love them? I know I can like a lot of things, but only love and appreciate a few. Which bag should I keep? Should I keep either of them? So between the two, I prefer the Easy Pouch for its style and strap options, but it might be a little bit too small. I can fit the basic items I need in it, but it has to be arranged in a certain way. Here it is with my things inside compared to the canvas pochette that I own already. The pochette has more room and give. I pasted some alternatives on these pictures to help me decide. Whenever I want a white or beige bag, I usually just go for the azure pochette I already own. The look is sort of similar, albeit more casual. The other two pictures are of the new multi-pochette in the cream color that came out just after I placed my order. Immediately I can tell that it will fit more, but I wonder if it has that simple, understated look I'm looking for. Also, because the multi-pochette is essentially two bags in one, the higher price reflects that. Not to mention it's currently sold out online. At the time of this recording, I've already packed up the Felicie to be sent back, but I am unsure of the Easy Pouch. Because I want to be a lot more careful with what I purchase and bring into my life from now on, I feel like I need to be more certain. What do you think? Okay, at the end of my videos, to keep the momentum of minimalism, I like to share some of the things that I've decluttered recently. This winter season, I really looked closely at my winter coats. Among these 3 wool coats, I decided to keep the 2 on the left and let go of the pink one on the right. I tried to pose with this coat in a flattering way to create a bit of a waistline, but overall I think cocoon coats don't suit me well. I like the way that it looks on the top, but whenever I looked at myself at the bottom, it seemed too undefined, so I let go of this pink coat. I also let go of a couple of these thin cotton shirts that would get super wrinkly super fast. I also let go of a shirt that was a little too cropped, and a shirt that was just simply old and worn looking. So that's it for this video. I hope you will stick around and subscribe for more thoughtful talks about the things we own. Thank you so much for watching. I wish you all perfect days.